Hello everyone, welcome back to Artsy Crafty channel. I am Ananya and today we are going to learn how to make a origami dog like this. So let's get started. So we are going to make a dog like this. We need 2 origami squares. So we need 2 sheets and a marker and a glue. This is a rectangle paper. So let's cut them into a square. And then we'll cut it here. We'll do the same with this. Okay? So these are the 2 square papers. First, let's make the body, which is very easy. So we'll fold this again at the same diagonal, and then just make a small lift over here, like a fold. And then we're done with the body. Wasn't that easy? Yeah, it was very easy. Now let's make the face. For this, we'll again have to make the same diagonal fold. And now we will take this corner and fold it like this. Little back from the center and little like outwarding, like that. And now we crease again. It's a little hard, but crease is very important. And last thing, we take this up and fold it a little towards upwards and again crease. So now we will draw the eyes. And there it's ready. Now let's stick the body here to the face. Voila! And our dog is ready. Please subscribe to my channel and like all my videos. That's all for today. Bye-bye.